Is your Wi-Fi missing on Windows 11, either from the taskbar or even from the settings menu? In this video, I will walk you through a complete step-by-step fix that actually works. Internet Options Reset. Open Control Panel. Set View by two large icons, then click Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab and click Restore Advanced Settings. Then press Apply and OK. Next, Network Reset. Now open Settings, click on Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. Click Reset now and confirm. Your PC will restart. Restart WLAN services. If Wi-Fi is still missing, open the Start menu, type Services and hit Enter. Scroll down and double-click on WLAN Auto Config. Set Startup Type to Automatic and click Start if it's not already running. Hit Apply and OK. Now do the same for WWAN Auto Config. Make sure it's also set to Automatic and Running. You can also right-click on each and select Restart. Check Wi-Fi adapter. Open your control panel again. Click on the option Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. If you see your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it and choose Disable, then Enable again. This restarts the adapter and often brings Wi-Fi back. Device Manager Fix. Now go to Device Manager, expand Network Adapters and locate your Wi-Fi adapter, usually named something like Intel Wireless. Right-click, Update Driver, browse my computer, let me pick from a list, select the top one, click Next. Then right-click again, Properties, Power Management and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Hit OK. msconfig Startup Repair. Open the Run box, type msconfig and press Enter. Under the General tab, make sure it's set to Normal Setup. Then go to the Services tab, click Disable All. Then Enable All and press Apply then OK. Restart your PC again. As a last resort, perform a soft reset by holding down your power button for a full 30 seconds, even if the screens turn off. This clears residual power and reset internal components. After 30 seconds, power your laptop back on. And that's it. One of these methods would bring your Wi-Fi back. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.